What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to show you how you can make a custom web app with literally one prompt in 2 to 3 minutes using Lovable. I'm going to show you one project I've built before, and we're going to build one live as well on this video. If you want to learn how to start an AI agency or how to use AI in your business to save time and money, check out our school. It'll be linked in the description box and the pinned comment down below. We have tons of free resources in there and great information to get you started on your AI agency. So let's get started with Lovable. If you look at Lovable, it's literally just a prompt where you can create a web app and just talk to Lovable and it'll make changes, iterate whatever you need. And the best part is you can even use ChatGPT to generate those prompts so that you don't even have to think that deeply into it. So I've built a KPI metrics dashboard before, and I'm going to show you that. So that dashboard right here, what it does is it literally just tracks our client information in terms of leads, booked calls, no-shows, active clients. And I built all of this using Lovable. So this literally took me about 20 to 30 minutes to build. And I just made changes and it looks really nice. It can connect with webhook data. And overall, it's just a great little SaaS that I created with such little effort. So now we're going to go into the live build and I'm going to show you how you can do this yourself. And we are going to build a project tracker. So normally we use Trello, sometimes Slack as well, to keep track of our client projects, where we're at in terms of tasks. But I wanted something more custom, something that's a lot simpler, honestly, kind of just like a to-do list, but that I can easily separate per client. I know there's probably a million different softwares I could do this with, but I just wanted to create something that would be super custom to us. So first thing I'm actually going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create the prompt for me that I'm going to feed into Lovable because I know there's things that I'm going to miss and I'd rather have ChatGPT come up with what I need in that project tracker. So I'm going to tell it, you are an expert prompt engineer specifically for creating lovable AI apps. Generate a prompt for this project I need to build below. I need to build a project tracker that is very simple, elegant, modern, and aesthetic. It needs to separate by client, projects, and tasks. I want to be able to have a simple to-do list per project in each client folder. And I want to be able to add notes, descriptions, titles, etc., and check off tasks when completed. If there's anything I may have missed, fill it in and generate this prompt for me. So I guarantee I could do that even better, but just for this, I'm going to go with this and let's see what it does here. Okay, so it's telling you the functionality. It's adding some things in that I might have missed. It's doing good. Awesome. So I'm actually going to get rid of this technical stack because I don't want to confuse Lovable at all. I'm just going to let Lovable pick what it needs to use. So all I'm going to do here is literally copy this entire thing in, except the technical stack. And we're going to put that into Lovable. So you can see here we have Lovable. And we're going to hit enter there. Also going to make this private. I would do that again. Publish. And settings. Whatever. We can leave it public. Okay, so you can see it's already starting to work. It's going to code out for me. Awesome, and we're back. So you can see that took a couple minutes. But literally in those couple minutes, we have everything. So I just need to fix this preview. Why is this not working? We can edit it. There we go. Okay, we're back. And we have the preview now. So you can see this looks pretty decent, especially on the first shot. So I can obviously adjust this. Create client. So let's say client A. Now we have that client. We can do new project here or create project. So I don't know why there's two buttons here, but either way, let's go here. AI voice sales system. Call center using AI agents. You can add start dates. Let's say we're starting today. We want to finish up the project by the 29th. Project status active, pause completed. So you can see this. Okay. And now we have that project. So you can see it has all the information there. If I click that project, I can now add tasks. Again, duplicate buttons here, but no biggie. So you can see we have all the information, create task, set up, say retail account, due date. Let's say I want to do this by tomorrow. Priority right now is high. That's number one. And then let's say add another task, create sales script, due date, let's say the 25th, priority. Right now it's medium, create task. Okay. So I don't know if it's based on the priority, but I'm actually curious now if I add high, if it'll prioritize those like that. So create agent voice, say due date 24th, but priority is going to be high. Actually, let's do the 26th. Okay, cool. So, and now you can see we have all of these tasks. And then let's say if I click this task, I can update it. How do I make this complete? So if I can trash it, or I can just click this button. That's how I do it. Okay. You can see it tracks my progress, 1 into 3 tasks completed. I didn't even ask it to do that. I mean, maybe it was in the prompt somewhere. And then if I do this one and this one, and we can see we're 100% done. If we go back to all of client A, we see all 3 tasks are done. This is honestly beautiful. Just like this, very simple. I like this, clean. And we can add more clients. Client B, create client. Oh, I already created it. Okay. So again, you can see there's probably like some little changes I can make here. I could delete the client. I can edit the client. And if I look at all my clients, I just go back to dashboard. I have all that information there. I could add a dashboard in here, tracking like an overview of all my clients, where I'm at, what needs to be prioritized. But this is an amazing start, and it literally took me 2 to 3 minutes, as you saw. And in my opinion, this is very useful. This is like a Trello, but custom to how you want it to be, right? So you can use this yourself. You can make these apps for yourself, or if you're thinking about it, you could even sell these apps to businesses. Maybe it's a local business that doesn't want to pay $500, $1,000 a month for an enterprise SaaS subscription. You can build them this, a one-time fee, maybe a few grand, maybe even cheaper. It doesn't really matter because like you saw, it was so simple to build. You just need to host this now, and they'll be ready to use it. Maintenance, obviously, will get a little hairy if you're making a very complex app. But for something basic like this, you'll be able to ship this super quickly within 1 day, get it in your client's hands, and then iterate over any feedback they give you. So if you are trying to start an AI agency, building custom web apps like this is, in my opinion, one of the best opportunities you can pursue because it's super quick. You can deliver real value, and you save your client a bunch of headaches, a bunch of time, a bunch of money, having to deal with sales reps at SaaS subscriptions and paying extra money when they don't need to. So check out Lovable. Let me know if you've built something with Lovable in the past. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join our school because we're going to be doing a lot more complex build outs similar to this one that you'll be able to copy and even use for yourself. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.